Have you ever felt that familiar knot of anxiety tightening in your stomach as the end of the month approaches? The bills are piling up, and payday seems like a distant dream. Did you know that over 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? It's a staggering statistic that highlights the financial vulnerability many face. They're constantly juggling expenses, hoping that their income will stretch far enough to cover everything. You're not alone if you're feeling the end-of-month squeeze. That feeling of financial pressure, the constant worry about making ends meet, is incredibly common. Most people you see, coworkers, neighbors, maybe even you, are grappling with similar financial anxieties. It's a shared experience that often goes unspoken, are hoping their money lasts until payday. They're meticulously tracking expenses, cutting back where they can, and praying for no unexpected costs. It's a silent struggle, a burden carried in private, often hidden behind a facade of normalcy. But it's not a personal failure. It's not a reflection of your worth or your capabilities. The rising cost of living and stagnant wages make this a common reality. These economic forces are impacting millions, creating a widespread sense of financial insecurity. If you feel embarrassed or isolated, if you're struggling to talk about your financial situation, remember, millions are in the same boat. You're part of a large community facing similar challenges. The first step to change, the initial move towards financial freedom, is understanding you're not alone. Recognizing this shared struggle can be incredibly empowering. Imagine not having to panic over groceries, not having to meticulously calculate every item in your cart, or car repairs. Imagine facing unexpected expenses without the dread and anxiety. This isn't a dream for the wealthy. It's not an exclusive privilege reserved for a select few. It's possible for anyone willing to learn a few simple strategies. With the right knowledge and a bit of effort, you can take control of your finances. Let's break the silence. Let's shatter the stigma surrounding financial struggles and start building financial confidence together. We can learn from each other, support each other, and create a brighter financial future for all. You've got this. You have the power to change your financial situation one step at a time. We often think of our paychecks as simply a means to an end, a way to cover our immediate expenses. But what if I told you that mastering your paycheck is the very first step towards unlocking true financial freedom? Stretching your paycheck isn't just about paying bills. It's about so much more than that. It's about building freedom and stability. It's about creating a life where you have choices, where you're not constantly stressed about money, and where you can pursue your passions without financial constraints holding you back. When you manage your money well, when you take control of your finances and make informed decisions, you create options for your future. You open doors to possibilities you never thought possible. Financial stability, that bedrock of security, lets you say yes to opportunities. It empowers you to seize chances that come your way, whether it's a new job, an investment opportunity, or a chance to travel the world. And it also gives you the strength to say no to what doesn't serve you, to walk away from toxic situations, bad investments, or anything that compromises your well-being. This control, this ability to choose your own path, is the ultimate freedom. And it all starts with mastering your paycheck. Understanding where your money goes, creating a budget, and making conscious spending choices. Imagine sleeping better, knowing that your bills are paid and your finances are in order. Imagine worrying less about money and focusing on what truly matters most to you, your family, your health, your passions. Making your money last isn't about restriction. It's not about depriving yourself of the things you enjoy. It's about liberation. It's about freeing yourself from the shackles of financial stress and creating a life of abundance and opportunity. The habits you build now, the financial skills you develop today, set the tone for your financial future. They lay the foundation for a life of security, prosperity, and freedom. By learning to stretch your money, by becoming a master of your finances, you're giving your future self a priceless gift. The gift of financial security, peace of mind, and the freedom to live life on your own terms. So take the driver's seat, take control of your finances, and navigate your financial path with confidence, knowing that you are building a brighter future for yourself. We all face the dreaded cash flow crunch when your bank balance is low and payday feels far away. Unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills can knock you off course if you don't have savings. Lifestyle creep is another trap. As your income rises, so do your expenses, keeping you stuck. Many struggle without a clear plan, making random efforts that don't add up. It's like building a house without a blueprint. But these hurdles aren't permanent. With a simple, actionable plan, you can overcome them. Let's simplify budgeting with the bare bones budget. Forget complicated spreadsheets, just focus on your essentials: housing, utilities, transportation, and food. List these 4 categories and write down the minimum you need for each. Add them up. This is your survival number, your financial baseline. Knowing this number gives you clarity and control. It shows you exactly what you must cover each month. The leftover money is for savings, debt, and wants. This simple exercise removes the mystery from your finances. The bare bones budget is your financial North Star. When times get tough, you know what's non-negotiable. Master your needs first, then plan for your wants. We all dream of having a financial safety net, a cushion against the unexpected, or simply the freedom to pursue our goals without the constant worry about money. Now, unlock your savings superpower, the ability to build that financial security brick by brick starting today. It's not about being rich, it's about being smart and strategic with what you have. Pay yourself first. It's a simple concept, yet profoundly effective. Instead of saving what's left over at the end of the month, which, let's be honest, is often nothing, treat savings as your most important bill. Think of it as an investment in your future self, a non-negotiable expense that comes before everything else. Prioritize it above entertainment, dining out, or impulse purchases. The moment you get paid, when that paycheck hits your account, move a set amount, no matter how small, directly into your savings. Don't wait, don't hesitate, just do it. Into a separate savings account. This account should be specifically for savings, not for everyday spending. Don't get discouraged if you can only start with a little. Start with what you can, even $5. The key is consistency, not the amount. To make it even easier, make it automatic. Set up a recurring transfer from your checking account to your savings account, so you don't have to think about it. It becomes a seamless part of your financial routine. This habit builds confidence and momentum as you see your savings grow, giving you a sense of control and empowerment over your finances. The visual of that growing balance is incredibly motivating as you watch your savings grow. And what are you saving for? Your emergency fund. This is your financial safety net, the buffer that protects you from life's surprises, like unexpected medical bills or car repairs. Having an emergency fund breaks the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, giving you peace of mind and financial stability. To further protect your savings, keep this account a little hard to access. This will help you avoid temptation and ensure that the money is there when you truly need it. Paying yourself first, making savings a priority, is a powerful step toward financial security, laying the foundation for a brighter financial future. You're not just saving money, you're building a wall of protection, a financial fortress, one paycheck at a time, slowly but surely creating a secure financial future for yourself. This simple habit, consistently applied, can transform your financial life, bringing you closer to your dreams and goals. After covering essentials and saving, be intentional with the rest of your spending. Plan ahead, make a grocery list, and stick to it to avoid impulse buys. Use the 30-day rule. Wait a month before making non-essential purchases over a set amount. Get creative with entertainment. Host potlucks, enjoy free events, or have a movie night at home. Shift your mindset. Fun doesn't have to be expensive. Always ask for better deals on bills and services. Review insurance and use coupons or cashback apps. Being a savvy consumer isn't being cheap. It's being smart. Make every dollar align with your values and goals. Stretch your money further by spending with intention. Want a game changer? Track every penny you spend for 30 days. Write down everything. Coffee, snacks, subscriptions, all of it. Use a notebook, phone app, or whatever works for you. Don't judge or change your habits yet. Just observe. At the end of the month, total your spending by category. You'll be surprised where your money really goes. These budget leaks are often invisible until you see the numbers. This exercise replaces assumptions with facts. With this knowledge, you can make smarter choices. Tracking your spending is the ultimate tool for financial clarity. Let's recap your path to financial peace. First, create your bare bones budget. Know your survival number. Next, pay yourself first. Make saving automatic no matter the amount. Then, spend intentionally. Plan, use the 30-day rule, and seek out deals. Finally, track every penny for 30 days to reveal hidden leaks. These steps build a powerful system for managing your money. Mindful spending isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. Reduce stress, build stability, and align your money with your goals. You have the tools, now it's time to use them. Start today and build your financial future. You're ready to take control of your financial life. Join a community. Share your tips and learn from others. Your story can inspire someone else on their journey. Keep learning. Read, listen, and follow experts who empower you. Financial literacy is a lifelong journey. Take one small step today. Calculate your budget, set up savings, or track your spending. Every action moves you closer to financial peace. You have the power to change your story. I'm cheering for you every step of the way. Go build the financially secure life you deserve.